To add or manage your policies, click on Setting option. Here, click on Policies option. Now turn on the policies that you want to add. Then enter here your policy, which you have created. You can also add image, YouTube videos, or etc. from Media and Tools section. Then save the setting. Similarly, you can add other policies, for example, refund policy, shopping policy, or etc. Then save the setting. Now add these policies in your menu section to show to your customers. Click on Edit Site, then navigate to Pages option and click on Menu option. Here, create your policy menu. Now in this menu, put the policies which you have created. After creating policy menu, add it footer menu. Navigate to footer menu, click on Edit option. Then click on Add column. Here, add heading, it's optional. Then select your policy menu and click on Update button and preview it.